Let's start with our first AI-103 practice questions. Your e-commerce platform needs to provide real-time product recommendations to millions of concurrent users with strict sub 100 millisecond latency requirements. When deploying your LLM through Azure AI Foundry, which inference options provides the most predictable low latency performance? Options are batch inference, serverless API, provisional throughput, and last is on-demand pay per token. Take a few seconds and think about your answer. Now the correct answer is provisional throughput. Now let's understand why. Before looking at the answer choices, focus on the keywords in each question. The first clue is millions of concurrent users. The second clue is strict sub 100 milliseconds latency requirement. And the third clue is predictable low latency performance. Microsoft is not really testing whether you know a deployment name. Microsoft is testing whether you understand which deployment options provides dedicated capacity and predictable performance. Think about it this way. Imagine you need to travel across a city. Serverless API is like taking a taxi. It works well, it's convenient, and you only pay when you need it. But during rush hours, traffic conditions can vary. Throughput, on the other hand, is having a dedicated expressway reserved specifically for you. The capacity is already allocated and ready. That's why PTU provides consistent performance and predictable latency. Now let's eliminate the other option. Inference is designed for a large-scale offline processing, not real-time user request. Serverless API is a cost-effective and flexible, but because resources are shared, latency can vary during busy periods. On-demand pay per token follows a consumption model and may also experience variable response times depending on workload. Only provisional throughput provides dedicated compute resources designed for predictable low latency workloads at the scale. Exam tips are like whenever you see terms such as low latency, real time, high traffic, millions of users, predictable performance, guaranteed capacity, start thinking about provisional throughput or PTU. That's often the clue Microsoft wants you to recognize. Let's move on to the next question.